Hello guys, so today we are going to see how to create the custom shipping method in Bagisto. I'm going to explain the easiest way possible to create it, and it doesn't matter if you are a novice developer or an experienced one. So let's get straight into the video and see how we can create a custom shipping method. For this tutorial, I'm using Bagisto version 1.2.0. So make sure to use Bagisto version 1.2.0 or above, otherwise your package generator command is not going to work. So let's get started and install Bagisto. Okay, so now as we have installed Bagisto and everything seems to work fine as expected, let's move on to our very first step. So there are basically two ways to create the custom shipping method in Bagisto. The first one is by using package generator and the other one is the old school way, it's the manual way. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the second way, the manual one, so that I can explain the complete directory structure and the role of individual files that we are going to use. But if you want to use this package generator, what you have to do is you have to simply run this command php artisan package make shipping method and the vendor name and the package name. And in case your package already exists, you can use the force command php artisan package make shipping method the vendor name slash the package name hyphen force. What it will do is it will remove the directory of your current package and create a new one for you. So now everything is installed correctly. We have created and installed our package with the name of demo shipment. The next step now is we have to add our payment method in admin panel, from where the admin can change and apply the backend settings for the custom shipping method. So when you go to the admin panel, configure, sales and shipping methods. Okay. So here you can see the default shipping methods, and now we have to create our own custom shipping method right here. Okay, so for doing that, copy this code and paste it into the system.php file present inside the config folder. Save it. Now you can change the keys and their values according to the need of your shipping method. But now I'm going with these default settings and I don't need to change anything as for now. So let's get ahead to our next step. Okay, so now you have to copy this piece of code and paste it into the carriers.php file present inside the config folder. So now I have defined a class named demo shipping right here on this path and created a directory for the same demo shipping.php inside carriers folder. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is you have to copy this piece of code and paste it into the demo shipping.php file inside the carriers folder. Okay, so now as you can see, when we go to the config, sales, shipping method, our demo shipping method is now listed here. And inside this accordion, you can change and customize all your settings. Okay, so now as everything is done, you can check the shipping method we have created right in from the admin panel. You can select the demo shipping method or whatever the name you have given. You can select the payment method and you can proceed for the further checkout and place the order. And now the order is placed. So this is how you create a custom shipping method in Bagisto. Okay, so there is one important thing that I want to share with you guys, that many of the third-party shipping methods comes with their respective APIs which you need to integrate inside your project. The documentation of such third-party shipping methods can be found on their respective websites.